वो तब तक सो चुका होगा। He will have slept by then. He will have slept by then. हम खाना खा चुके होंगे। We will have eaten the food. We will have eaten the food. तुम अपना काम खत्म कर चुके होगे। You will have finished your work. You will have finished your work. शाम तक बारिश रुक चुकी होगी। The rain will have stopped by evening. The rain will have stopped by evening. बच्चे फिल्म देख चुके होंगे। The children will have watched the movie. The children will have watched the movie. मैंने ये किताब पढ़ ली होगी। I will have read this book. I will have read this book. गाड़ी स्टेशन पर पहुंच चुकी होगी। The train will have arrived at the station. The train will have arrived at the station. वे अपना घर बेच चुके होंगे। They will have sold their house. They will have sold their house. सूरज डूब चुका होगा। The sun will have set. The sun will have set. उसने मुझे फोन कर लिया होगा। She will have called me. She will have called me. आप सबक सीख चुके होंगे। You will have learned the lesson. You will have learned the lesson. चोर भाग चुका होगा। The thief will have escaped. The thief will have escaped. डॉक्टर ऑपरेशन कर चुका होगा। The doctor will have performed the operation. The doctor will have performed the operation. इंजीनियर पुल बना चुके होंगे। The engineers will have built the bridge. The engineers will have built the bridge. पक्षी घोंसला बना चुके होंगे। The birds will have built the nest. The birds will have built the nest. हम टिकट खरीद चुके होंगे। We will have bought the tickets. We will have bought the tickets. मैंने ईमेल भेज दिया होगा। I will have sent the email. I will have sent the email. छात्र प्रोजेक्ट जमा कर चुके होंगे। The students will have submitted the project. The students will have submitted the project. कपड़े सूख चुके होंगे। The clothes will have dried. The clothes will have dried. दादाजी कहानी सुना चुके होंगे। Grandpa will have told the story. Grandpa will have told the story. मैनेजर मीटिंग शुरू कर चुका होगा। The manager will have started the meeting. The manager will have started the meeting. माली पौधे लगा चुका होगा। The gardener will have planted the saplings. The gardener will have planted the saplings. वे नदी पार कर चुके होंगे। They will have crossed the river. They will have crossed the river. मैं अपना पता बदल चुका हूँगा। I will have changed my address. I will have changed my address. तुम अभ्यास कर चुके होगे। You will have practiced. You will have practiced. उसने गाना गा लिया होगा। She will have sung the song. She will have sung the song. कुत्ते भौंक चुके होंगे। The dogs will have barked. The dogs will have barked. हमने उसे माफ कर दिया होगा। We will have forgiven him. We will have forgiven him. कंपनी ने विज्ञापन जारी कर दिया होगा। The company will have released the advertisement. The company will have released the advertisement. किसान फसल काट चुका होगा। The farmer will have harvested the crop. The farmer will have harvested the crop. वह दौड़ जीत चुका होगा। He will have won the race. He will have won the race. मैंने अपनी चाबियां ढूंढ ली होंगी। I will have found my keys. I will have found my keys. वे वापस आ चुके होंगे। They will have returned. They will have returned. ये खबर फैल चुकी होगी। This news will have spread. This news will have spread. हम समस्या हल कर चुके होंगे। We will have solved the problem. We will have solved the problem. कलाकार पेंटिंग पूरी कर चुका होगा। The artist will have finished the painting. The artist will have finished the painting. तुम बिल चुका चुके होगे। You will have paid the bill. You will have paid the bill. उसने अपने कपड़े धो लिए होंगे। She will have washed her clothes. She will have washed her clothes. मेहमान निकल चुके होंगे। The guests will have left. The guests will have left. हवाई जहाज उतर चुका होगा। The airplane will have landed. The airplane will have landed. सरकार नई नीति घोषित कर चुकी होगी। The government will have announced the new policy. The government will have announced the new policy. मैंने अपना फोन चार्ज कर लिया होगा। I will have charged my phone. I will have charged my phone. वह अपनी नौकरी छोड़ चुका होगा। He will have quit his job. He will have quit his job. हम उन्हें सब बता चुके होंगे। We will have told them everything. We will have told them everything. तुम दस्तावेज पर हस्ताक्षर कर चुके होगे। You will have signed the document. You will have signed the document. परीक्षा शुरू हो चुकी होगी। The exam will have started. The exam will have started. बच्चे खेलने चले गए होंगे। The children will have gone to play. The children will have gone to play. उन्होंने पुरस्कार जीत लिया होगा। They will have won the award. They will have won the award. मैंने अपने जूते पॉलिश कर लिए होंगे। I will have polished my shoes. I will have polished my shoes. वह शहर छोड़ चुकी होगी। She will have left the city. She will have left the city. हम अपना लक्ष्य पा चुके होंगे। We will have achieved our goal. We will have achieved our goal. तुम तैरना सीख चुके होगे। You will have learned to swim. You will have learned to swim. पुजारी पूजा कर चुका होगा। The priest will have performed the prayer. The priest will have performed the prayer. मैंने अपनी गाड़ी पार्क कर दी होगी। I will have parked my car. I will have parked my car. आग बुझ चुकी होगी। The fire will have extinguished. The fire will have extinguished. वे नया घर खरीद चुके होंगे। They will have bought a new house. They will have bought a new house. हम रात का खाना बना चुके होंगे। We will have cooked dinner. We will have cooked dinner. वह अपना होमवर्क कर चुका होगा। He will have done his homework. He will have done his homework. मैंने अपनी गलती मान ली होगी। I will have admitted my mistake. I will have admitted my mistake. घड़ी में 12 बज चुके होंगे। The clock will have struck 12. The clock will have struck 12. तुम किताब का आवरण फाड़ चुके होगे। You will have torn the book cover. You will have torn the book cover. उसने कविता लिख ली होगी। She will have written the poem. She will have written the poem. हम घर साफ कर चुके होंगे। We will have cleaned the house. We will have cleaned the house. वे शिकायत दर्ज कर चुके होंगे। They will have filed a complaint. They will have filed a complaint. मैंने तुम्हारा संदेश पढ़ लिया होगा। I will have read your message. I will have read your message. वह तैरकर नदी पार कर चुका होगा। He will have swum across the river. He will have swum across the river. तुम कहानी सुना चुके होगे। You will have narrated the story. You will have narrated the story. उसने अपनी दुकान बंद कर दी होगी। She will have closed her shop. She will have closed her shop. बच्चे खेल खत्म कर चुके होंगे। The children will have finished the game. The children will have finished the game. हमने एक समझौता कर लिया होगा। We will have made an agreement. We will have made an agreement. वे अपनी गलती महसूस कर चुके होंगे। They will have realized their mistake. They will have realized their mistake. मैंने अपनी साइकिल की मरम्मत कर ली होगी। I will have repaired my bicycle. I will have repaired my bicycle. वह परीक्षा में पास हो चुका होगा। He will have passed the exam. He will have passed the exam. तुम ये गीत गुनगुना चुके होगे। You will have hummed this song. You will have hummed this song. उसने पानी उबाल लिया होगा। She will have boiled the water. She will have boiled the water. हम एक नया रास्ता खोज चुके होंगे। We will have found a new way. We will have found a new way. मैंने अपना बैंक खाता खोल लिया होगा। I will have opened my bank account. I will have opened my bank account. वह अपना बैग पैक कर चुका होगा। He will have packed his bag. He will have packed his bag. वे अपनी यात्रा शुरू कर चुके होंगे। They will have started their journey. They will have started their journey. तुम सब कुछ सीख चुके होगे। You will have learned everything. You will have learned everything. Thanks for watching this video.